Yes, we have Ghana that has granted another 150 passports to people of African dialect in diaspora. So Ghana has been having this scheme whereby they've been welcoming back Africans, especially the US, the black Africans, back to the continent, back to the motherland. And this is something that they've been doing over and over. This, of course, they began with when they were marking like 400 years of course, slavery. You remember that Ghana has one of these point in the beach whereby people were being taken from Africa from their port, and of course through this they've been able to bring back the reawakening of Africa, and of course reminding Africans that they still have a home in the continent, and that is the continent of Africa. And that's why you see even many of these artists and musicians, some of them big people from US who are like having big names, have been granted Ghanaian citizenship, and this is a good move for them.